Welcome back. So yesterday we had some exciting events here at the Withers household. At about 7:15 in the morning, the smoke alarm went off and couldn't figure out why. So we called the fire department. Fire department came out, checked the house, no smoke, no heat, no carbon monoxide. And they told me that smoke detectors can get clogged with dust and stuff, and that they're really only good for 10 years even if you change the batteries, which I didn't know. So they recommended switching out the smoke detectors, and so we're going to do that today. We're going to replace our existing smoke detectors with alarms that detect both smoke and carbon monoxide. I'm going to show you how we're going to do that. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the existing smoke detector. So I'm just going to detach it just like that. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the fixture plate. Like that. And then I'm going to pull the 3 wires out of the junction box and remove the white, the black, and the red. And so we've removed the wiring. Okay, next thing we're going to do is we're going to install the new connection that came with the new smoke detector. This one's a little bit different than the one we removed. That's why we can't use the old one. So take the 3 wires, connect black to black, white to white, and red to red. I'm going to push those back up in the junction box. I'm going to take the new fixture, put that on, twist it, and tighten the screws. Next, we'll take the new unit and plug it in just like that. Press it up.
Push test button.
Now we'll test it.
Fire.
That's the alarm for fire.
Warning, carbon monoxide.
And that's the carbon monoxide warning. And that's all there is to it. It took about 2 minutes to switch the old one out and install the new one. Be sure to smash that like button. We'll see you next time.